Hello, Scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with a different video. And by different, I mean it's at a different angle, so I apologize. I hope it doesn't bother you. But if it does, go ahead and just skip this video and come back hopefully later this week, and I'll have my normal setup. So this layout I made, let's see, I think it was the beginning of June, and at that time I was still not allowed to go downstairs and really do much of anything because it was within the first 2 weeks after my hysterectomy surgery. And so I decided, because I had gotten my new scrapbooking store kit, that I was going to scrapbook with it. And I actually made 3 or 4 layouts, I think, this month with this kit. And one of them was a 4th of July themed layout or pocket page, and then this one is actually not using the 4th of July theme at all. So I was pretty excited with how this layout turned out. I really loved the multicolor diagonal striped paper, and so I decided to use that as my background piece of paper. And then I am matting my photo. I just have one 3x4 photo, and I'm matting that with one of the blue pieces of paper from the kit, and then also the yellow floral paper. And the reason that I wanted to use that multicolored background was because I wanted to include all of these colors on this layout, because I just fell in love with these deep and bright colors from this kit. So if you aren't a member of the Scrapbooking Store Kit Club, you need to be, because it's an awesome kit. This one is from, oh my goodness, I'm totally drawing a blank. I want to say Simple Stories, and it is called, I think it's called Celebrate or something. I don't have it on my desk because you know me, I never have things when I need them, but it's okay. I will leave a link to the kit club down below and to the July kit and all of that good stuff, so that you can become a member if you want, or you can just buy this month's kit. So also, as a design team member, I do get the upgrade kit, which has 3 embellishments. So this month it has the Pebbles 4th of July ephemera pack, some 4th of July stickers from Jolie's. The ones that I am using are actually different, and I think it was probably just because supply and demand has been kind of hard, and so you might get a different embellishment with the 4th of July Jolie's embellishments than I have, but you can see those. They are at the top or the bottom of the screen right now, the top of my desk, the bottom of the screen that you're looking at. And I don't think I actually use one of those on this layout. And then also this month we got an alpha, which was from Heidi Swap, and it's just a nice deep blue that goes along with the kit. So this layout is a photo, or this photo on this layout is a photo of my quote desk at work. So about a year ago, my boss, I think probably actually a year and a half, possibly almost 2 years ago, my boss asked me to be in charge of donor customer service. So I work for a plasma donation center, and a lot of times we get way too busy and we aren't able to provide customer service like we should. And so our center wanted to change that, and my boss asked me to be what's called the donor representative, and to be able to provide that customer service to our donors and call them and let them know, you know, when they have questions or when things go wrong, or, you know, things like that. So he gave me a desk in his office. And so I put in quotes on the title, and you'll see that at the end, which is coming up here pretty soon. you'll see the quotes around the word my, because obviously it's not only my desk, but that was the area that my boss set aside for me so that I would be able to have an area for just me to use when I needed it. And it was really nice. It was kind of fun at first. And then, it was also awkward because he would be in his office and I would have to be making these calls to these donors, and it was very awkward at first, but I got used to it and I absolutely loved it. So that is the end of my layout. Make sure you check out all the links below to the Kit Club and everything, and I hope that you are having a great week. I will hopefully see you again very soon. Bye!